Hey YouTube, welcome back if you're returning, and hello if you are new. In this video, I'll be showing you my IGel Beauty. This is the Hybrid Pro 2.0. It's rechargeable and it's LED and UV. Okay, finally getting that plastic off and getting into the package. And the first thing they have are like two little pamphlets, basically. One is to actually tell you how to use the light, and then the other one is just telling about IGel Beauty, like the company and more of their products. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I really do love it. It's really sleek. I like the color. It comes in different colors. You can get white. They had a pink, and then I got this silver. This is the detachable base. Again, this is what it looks like. And this is the back. Okay, it's lightweight. You know, pick it up with one hand, and it has like that little divot where you can put your hand right in there, so it can be really easy to access and pick up. And then this is the charger. Now, I really struggle to get this out the box, so I'm just gonna go ahead. So, moving right along, this is what the charger looks like, the adapter, and then the actual plug, and that is where it goes in the back. Whoopsie daisies, wrong spot. Okay, now there we go. Okay, and this is me plugging it up after I show how I put it together. And this is the button to cut it on. I don't actually think I cut it on. And then this is the removable base. It does have plastic on it. It's very easy to wipe down after each client. And it does still have batteries. So this is the back of it. It has lots of lights to get those nails completely dry in one sit down, basically. I still use it for 60 seconds. So it has an option for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. And I love that removable base. So if I'm doing toes, I can just take that off, put it on top of the feet. When I'm doing hands, I don't have to worry about lint getting stuck on like the bottom of like the nails. So that's really convenient. And again, here is the back. Very, very easy. And this is what it looks like on. And those are the buttons. And that's the light. I really do love this lamp. It is a really great alternative to like the Kiara Sky. I didn't want to spend $250, $300. And this one I spent $130. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me below. And I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.